folks, James Fair here, sales executive over at BMW Dealer for Charlestown, and today I have this gorgeous 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this gold beige metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front, surrounded by the silver trim. You have this front parking sensors, the BMW LED headlights. Come around to the side, you have the 17-inch BMW spoked alloys on run flat tires. Again, the silver trim carried throughout the car. Come around to the back, you have the rear LED taillights, the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors. This car is also equipped with an automatic trunk, just simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. This car is in mint condition for her age. Quite a unique colour as well. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 520D. So now that we're inside, you can see the semi-digital cockpit with real-time traffic information, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen, with features such as enhanced Bluetooth, communications, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, my vehicle, or if you want to quickly access features on the BMW teleservice, you can use the BMW iDrive system. Like I said, you have the 360-degree parking sensors front and back. The interior comes in an oyster white Dakota leather, surrounded by a platinum trim finish, alongside a customizable ambient lighting. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers. You have the cruise control with brake function, the ability to control the media through the steering wheel, voice activation control, a speed limiter. This car is also equipped with a sports mode, comfort mode and eco pro mode. It has an automatic hold and the electric e-brake. It's a keyless push button start ignition, air conditioning, heated seats. Also on board is the BMW pedestrian safety system and the BMW SOS service system. So like I said folks, this was just a quick look around this 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.